Hello everyone. Today is class number 15. Today is class number 15 for EMFT. Okay. So last day I have discussed up to this much, and today I will continue after here. Okay, exactly after here. Okay. So I will precise first something. Okay. So the intensity, it is a long line where we are taking a length of from A to B, and A has a coordinate 0, 0, A, small a, and B has a coordinate 0, 0, small b, small minus small a. That will be the difference between this A to B point is 2A. So in between this midpoint will be 0, right? Because 0, 0, A over here, and it will be 0, 0, minus A. So midpoint will be exactly 0, 0, 0. That is, it is in origin. So from that origin we are taking a distance, a point P which is distance r from that origin. Okay, and over here this point we want to calculate the intensity due to this long wire. Okay, so first we have done that we are taking this A point, small length on this point A. Due to this point A, the intensity at point P will be dE, right? Which will be dE. What is dE? dE is nothing but this one. This is dE. So but why it is cos theta is multiplied over here? Because at that point the intensity will shows in that direction. So it is not in quadrature. So it has two segments. That is, first one is cos part, another is sin part. So dE sin theta over here, and similarly over here dE sin theta. Why? Because of similarly this A point has the similar point over here, so similar thing will happen over here. So that will be dE. Again dE cos theta and dE sin theta will cancel out themselves. Okay, so all the sine part are cancel out themselves. Okay, so now only the remaining part, that is the remaining part which is nothing but your cos part. Okay, so we are taking the integration for whole thing. Okay, for whole thing, the integration of rho L dz, that is 4 pi epsilon naught into a square plus r square into r by root over of a square plus r square. Okay. Okay, so now we want to integrate it. So see, this A means what? This A means this A coordinate has 0, 0, minus A. That means x equals to 0, y equals to 0, z equals to A, right? Z equals to A. And similarly B equals to 0, 0, minus A. That means x equals to 0, y equals to 0, and z equals to minus A. So this A is nothing but the distance along z axis, right? This is nothing but a distance along z axis. So now we assume A square or A as z here, because we are taking integration, right? dz with respect we taking integration of A, that is with respect of dz. So better to write this A instead of A expressed as z. Okay, so EP can be expressed as, okay, what are the constants? Rho L. Okay, so there are two cos theta parts, right? So it will be 2 d is the cos theta. Okay, it will be 2 times of it, because due to A point it will be it was d cos theta, and similarly from due to point B there is another d cos theta. So d cos theta and d cos theta added up to 2 d cos theta, and sin theta parts are cancelled out themselves. So 2 rho L by 4 pi epsilon naught, this r is also taking outside, and dz by this one and this one is combine up themselves to represent z square plus r square to the power 3 by 2, right? So after integration, how much? Okay, so to integrate it we have to substitute something. Z equals to r tan theta. So let us consider z equals to r tan theta. We have to substitute to integrate it easily. Okay, so dz equals to how much? Dz equals to r sec square theta into d theta. And similarly you can change the limit also. So what will be the limit first? We have to put the limit first. Okay, so what will be the limit? Just integration is taking in z direction, and which is from minus a to a, right? Which is from minus a to a. See, integration is taken in z axis, so the z axis values is varies from a minus a to a. Okay, so z minus a to a. Okay, if we put z equals to minus a over here, or you can write that z equals to, okay, so actually we are taking the part from 0 to a. Why? Because we are taking this one and this one simultaneously, so we have to take this 0 to a. It is very much important. It is you have to find that whenever you are integrating, we are putting this 2 over here, that is you are taking this a simultaneously b. That means if we assume this a point over here, then the b point will be here, and if we assume another point over here, then this point will be here. So by adding up these all points, we have to take this part only, because by taking this part, by writing here 2, automatically this part will be allocated over here. Okay, so 0 to a will be here, so the z value will be 0 to a. So what will be the 0? So if I put 0 over here, then theta respect you have to calculate. Theta equals to again 0, and here tan inverse z by r, right? Tan inverse z by r. See, if we put 0 over here, say r never be 0, so obviously theta should have 0. So for z equals to 0, theta should have 0, and for z equals to a, that will be z. A means that will be z. It may be z, because a we are taking a as a z. So z means what? Tan theta equals to what? Z means tan theta equals to tan inverse z by r. Theta equals to tan inverse z by r. See from here. So what will be the integration now? It will become, after changing the limit, it will become e of p, that will be equals to 2 rho l r by 4 pi epsilon naught integration 0 to tan inverse z by r, and writing over here theta dz equals to, what is dz? R sec square theta d theta divided by, so now if we put z equals to r tan theta, so r square tan square theta, taking r square as common, and here cube over there, so r cube taking outside, and 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta, that is sec to the power 3 theta, right? Sec to the power 3 theta after calculation. Okay, so what will be the ultimate value? Rho l by r by 2 pi epsilon naught. Your result will be 0 to tan inverse z by r. R cancel out, and here are there are another r. So ultimately only one r over here. So sec square and sec cube, that is sec 1 by sec, that is cos theta d theta. Okay, so what will be the ultimate integration value? After integration we have rho l by 2 pi epsilon naught r sin theta, and over the limit 0 to tan inverse z by r. Okay, so now put rho l by 2 pi epsilon naught r. So first one is sine of tan inverse z by r, and minus sine 0, that means 0, so no need to require. Okay, so now you have to find what is the value of tan inverse z by r. Okay, so now you have to find the simplify it by applying the inverse rule. Okay, by applying the inverse rule. What will be the inverse rule? See, now tan inverse z by r equals to, assume alpha, so tan alpha equals to z by r. Okay, so if we get a triangle over this angle alpha, so it will be z by r. So this angle distance will be z square root over of z square plus r square. So sin alpha equals to how much? Sin alpha equals to, from here we can write sin alpha equals to z by root over of z square plus r square. Okay, so z by root over of z square plus r square. So actually this one is alpha, so sin of, so you can write alpha equals to sin inverse z by root over of z square plus r square, right? So here we can simplify it as z by root over of z square plus r square. Okay, so your result will be rho L into z by 2 pi r, 2 pi epsilon naught into r root over of z square plus r square. Okay, so this is your intensity at point P. So now you if you wish, then you can replace this z as a. So you replace z as a and to find the ultimate result, or you can find this one also. Okay, you can write and take an ease as this one also. Okay, so this is your ultimate result. And now if we consider it is infinity, that is now, right, if we consider this long wire, right, if we consider this long wire will exist up to infinity, then the integral limit will be z equals to 0 to z equals to infinity, right? So therefore from here you have to again integrate. So z equals to 0 to infinity, and for similar theta equals to 0 to tan inverse infinity means how much? Pi by 2, right? So the limit will change by 0 to pi by 2, and the integration also there will some little bit change. So that means EP equals to how much? EP will be equals to rho L by R by 2 pi epsilon naught integration of dz by r square plus z square to the power 3 by 2, and here it will be 0 to infinity. So after integrating, or 0 to pi by 2, right? 0 to pi by 2. So dz will be how much? So actually we have to find this limit, have to directly we can put. So it will give your r sec square theta d theta, and similarly it was r cube sec cube theta, right? So by calculating again, rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into r integration 0 to pi by 2, that will be cos theta d theta. Okay, so after integration it will be cos theta means what? Cos theta means sin theta. So rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into r, so sin theta, and limit will be 0 to pi by 2, and pi by 2 for sin theta will be 1 and sin 0 will be 0. So our ultimate answer will be rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into r. Your result will be EP equals to rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into r. So for long wire, infinite long wire, in your intensity at point P, which is distance from r, from the center, from the origin of this line, that will be rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into r. Okay, this is your ultimate answer. This is the direction r cap also. Okay, so this is your 7th topic, and now the 8th topic of this chapter. Right, field due to sheet of charge. Field intensity due to sheet of charge. Okay, so right, let us consider an infinite sheet of charge. Let us consider an infinite sheet of charge of charge density rho s, okay, which is lying in the xy plane, so that means we are taking a sheet of charge. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, so this is in xy plane, okay, and this is z-axis, so this is in xy plane. Okay, so and the charge density is rho s. Okay, so then consider the point of observation, be placed on the z axis, so what will be the z axis? Be placed over the z axis as shown in figure. So now we are taking this point P. Okay, so we are taking a differential element ds, another one over here ds, exactly opposite to here. So if we join them, then intensity will looks like. Okay, and similarly if we again join this one, and intensity will look like this one. Okay, so this is your suppose DE, and similarly it will also be DE, and it has some two components. First one is in that direction, second one is in that direction, and it has also similarly it has two components, first one and second one.